I think I should probably head to the back court so I don't bother y'all.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Pleasants County in northwestern West Virginia, northeastern Ritchie County in northwestern West Virginia, Doddridge County in northern West Virginia, north central Lewis County in northern West Virginia, southwestern Tyler County in
Enjoy
northern
your
West
EAS
Virginia,
alert, Deer Hunter.
southwestern Harrison County in northern West Virginia until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near West Union, 2 miles south of Middlebourne. 5 miles per hour.
Excuse me, heading to the back porch. Ow! What? What EAS went off in here? Huh. Must have been on channel 3.